this is me, Araya, and I'm going to show you around the house. And by the way, it's called a house tour. So right now we have this cool tent, as you can see.
In my room.
Yes. So
how did I change the camera back?
So yeah. And now we're going to go downstairs and show you some other things.
Well, first we have to show them your room and the playroom.
First, let's go.
Okay, so this is the fort.
Let's
go where Ryan wants to go.
Okay.
We might see a rare. Don't run into the wall, Ryan.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard holding a camera when your leg is hurt.
Get
out of here, big booty.
So yeah, we are going out.
I think so.
We don't know.
Yeah, that's a hard camera angle. Okay.
Okay. So
You're upside down.
So let's go.
There we go. There's the sassy cat, and there's the rascal cat. And there's the rest of my room.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and we got these 2 bean bags. They're so cute.
Yeah. Then
we got a squishy mushy.
You can turn into polar bears. But
yeah, but let's not worry about that now. There's my computer.
Yes.
I do videos on.
Let's go into my room.
Can you step back from the camera a little bit? There you go.
Okay. This is my room. It's kind of messy. Yes. So, I want to tell you a little bit about my room and how I got this dream tent.
Here, scoot over.
So,
Stand up.
this dream tent can give you dreams sometimes, and I sleep in it. But tonight, I slept in my sister's room in the fort. So, yeah.
And last night she did too. And she loves trolls, so she has trolls and more trolls.
And there's some over here.
Yep. So let's name all of them, right?
Okay.
Guy Diamond, Smidge, Cooper, Karma, Poppy, Poopy, Biggie, Branch, Sybil, DJ Suki, Saturn and Chanel, Faisbert, and Maddie. I've never heard of some of those. We'll let Araya keep talking.
And so, yeah, and as you can see, it's kind of messy. But on our wall, our mom and dad let us do fun things because
We're going to paint the walls, so we got to color the walls.
we got to do a lot of
Want to show the closet?
So, yeah, let's show the closet and I'll be changing.
Well, not while we're showing her. I'll show them the playroom while you're changing, right?
Okay, yeah.
Or, no, we can wait till after the video to change.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, yeah, I still have this light.
Oh. The light is broken, and I don't know why.
Yeah, we don't know
Literally,
why.
that thing breaks apart. Like this thing, it breaks when you try to take it off. Like literally, it's supposed to be way longer, but it seriously just breaks off. Like, what kind of camera does that?
I mean, you mean light? And so this is the Polly thing. And yeah, our mom and dad got it for us because
Sit back a little bit.
It was too high for me to get it. But yeah, so this is kind of
It's like a bad one from Walmart.
Yeah, but
Well, these are all clothes.
oh, and yeah, so these are my fun dresses. And this is my favorite dress of all. This is my belle dress, pretty white. And then these are some shirts. I have a tank top with a bra inside of it. Then I just have a normal tank top. And I have this purple shirt with a deer on it. Oh, where did I get that from? And then I have my diabetes care shirt because I have type 1 diabetes. And so, yeah, oh my God, this is a Viking shirt. Yeah, we hate Vikings.
No, we don't.
Well, we don't hate them, it's just we don't like when
We're so
they
mad
lose.
at them for you losing the.
Yeah,
They could have gone to the Super Bowl.
And then I kind of have a dress like my sister's, kind of like this. It was for Halloween because I was a vampire. I was Mavis. And
She was Superwoman this year, though. She was Mavis last year.
why do I have 2 Viking shirts?
I don't know. Well, Adrian Peterson is, or Peterson, I don't know what his name is, but he retired. Or, I don't know. He wasn't in the,
And these are
in the
my
Vikings
baby
football.
animals.
Almost dropped the camera.
These are my baby animals.
I think I'm a
back
bad
here.
cameraman.
Okay, yeah. So this is this. Where's my orange monkey that you gave to me from the bowling alley?
I don't know.
And here is this.
She loved monkeys when she was little, so.
And I have this monkey.
Oh, yeah, by the way, guys, she's wearing my pajamas right now.
Oh, and yeah, this one was my favorite. But I don't remember getting this.
I think Grandma Walker got that for you.
Well, yeah, so that's our grandma that she just said. And the favorite one, my favorite one was this one because it played music. Let's see if it still works. Oh, it doesn't work anymore. Yeah, it doesn't work.
I think it needs new batteries. But let's move on.
I actually like...
Can we move on? Because we spent 5 minutes in here.
Yeah, well, let's move on, but I'm going to be changing so you can show the playroom.
We don't need to change now.
Well, I want
Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
It's your video, so show me where you want to go.
Let's go to the playroom.
By the way, this is the top floor.
We're going to be leaving our light on because we can't fix it. Okay, let's...
Yeah, and that's just a crawl space for people.
Let's show you the
It's
playroom.
connected to that one.
The playroom's kind of messy.
We had like $50 million. Like, those are all mine. Literally, for the past 10 years of my life, I've been collecting dolls. Like, I didn't even want very many dolls. There's an arrow there. Don't be scared. It's just a fake one. That is the closet of the playroom. You can't see very well back there. We're not going to turn the light on. You want to go downstairs now?
Just one more thing. So yeah, we have these dresses. We have these dresses, and this is for the father-daughter dance and that.
Okay, we're going to go downstairs now.
Bye. Wait. Yeah.
Do you want to go downstairs or do you want to leave the video?
Let's go downstairs and show them. Yeah.
Well, our parents are kind of still sleeping, so should we
we?
say bye? Later,
No.
later with our friend, we'll do more.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.